Hi guys! In this video we take a look on reports which you can download from Business Central and edit this data by your own. At first you have to click on button Financing and then Financing Overview. After previous steps, click on Download, open Excel and enable editing. You can change, for example, chart style as type or color. And also the size and style of font. It's also possible to select any number of top customers. In Pivot Table, click on Value Filters and choose, for example, Top 2. After changes, don't forget to save it and record back into Business Central. Click on Search and enter Report Layouts. Then, click on button New Layout and in field Report ID, select Financing Overview. It's possible to enter layout name by your own and click on OK. At the end, choose folder which you want to upload. We can override this. It's necessary to set this report as default. And now you can download this. And you can see changes.